Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to blur a part of video in Shotcut. Okay, so if you would like to add a blur to a video, you need to go to filters, then you need to go to icon with a plus to add a new filter. After that we need to type on search mask and select here mask simple shape. After that I click on plus again and I type here blur. We need to select here blur box. Then I click plus again and I type here mask and I select here mask apply. Now I select mask simple shape and how you see it is area of our blur. You can change position of this box somewhere where you want and it will make a blur effect on your video. Of course you can easily change dimensions of this box by clicking somewhere here or maybe somewhere here. Everything depends on your preferences, and if you want you can always change the shape from rectangle to ellipse or to a triangle or maybe to diamond. But in my opinion rectangle is really great here, so I will select this one shape. I will play the video now to show you that it really works. Everything is working perfectly here. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to check links in description, and that's all. Bye.